Is your roof showing signs of leaks or wear? Canopy Roofing Inc. delivers trusted roof repair services Miami, Florida homeowners rely on to restore protection, comfort, and confidence after unexpected damage. Built on ingenuity, honesty, and leadership, Canopy Roofing Inc. focuses on ethical roofing solutions, clear communication, and reliable workmanship that helps homeowners feel informed and supported throughout every repair decision. Our repair solutions address leaks, storm damage, and aging materials, while proactive roof repair maintenance Miami, Florida, helps extend roof life and reduce the risk of costly future structural issues. Every project is handled by experienced roofing professionals who take time to explain findings, document conditions accurately, and treat your home with care, respect, and attention to detail. What makes us different is precision-driven repairs and accountability, delivered by a trusted roof repair contractor Miami, Florida, focused on long-term roof performance rather than temporary fixes. We also assist with inspection reports and insurance documentation, helping homeowners navigate repair requirements while maintaining transparency and confidence throughout the entire process.